Hi boys and girls, it's Shane, and today's the day I finally get to list my sci-fi Airbnb so that people can rent it. So isn't this amazing? We're very excited to finally have it ready to go. We do have one little concern. We have this invasive species here. They make cute little noises, and we've seen them all over. So many of you enjoyed counting our little kittens in the attic. If you'd like to count how many tribbles you see in here, that might be a fun game to play. How many tribbles can you find? Over here we have our closet with the cool jig-jaggedy door. Let's show you here. All right, so from the bedroom. Have you ever seen a more incredible floor than this? I absolutely love our Tron floor. We did a 3-part video series on this last month. If you didn't see this, this was the epitome of patience. And of course, we have our disintegration ray pointed right at the sofa, so that's where you would sit with your or put your enemy if you were going to need to disintegrate them on the fly. And of course, we have the shower in here. Right now, we're just going with the black light, so you can see the glowing planets and the glowing stars. And I even took the time to go into a Walmart and use a flashlight to find a glowing shampoo. And in case you're wondering, and you don't want to go in and you want to have soap that glows, this is the one. This glows very nicely in a black light. Hi, Shane. People have been asking about how these turned out, and yeah, they got clear enough to look amazing. Now, over this way, we have our laundry area. We have our experiment pod. Some of you have wondered about that. Let's get a little bit more light on now. Oh, wait. I bet you want to see the kitchen countertops. See the planets all glowing. Our little star here. And then over here in the eating area, we have some more planets. They're glowing so nicely. And of course, we got this awesome sofa for $100. We got this propaganda. We know that didn't really happen, right? We've got a working microscope in case a kid wants to play with a microscope. We got the TV in here and also in the bedroom. I found some cool electronics, but I want to find a few more. I want a whole panel of electronics here. That's on Shane's bucket list. Of course, we have the experiment pod. Kind of echoey in here. That's a little weird, isn't it? With all the valves that do important jobs. Up here we'll have some extra blankets and sheets and such for the Murphy bed, which folds up into this wall panel. So if you recall from my video about 2 months ago, we made this Murphy bed. So this is a bed that folds up into the wall. Now for the kitchen and regular lighting, we've got beakers for glasses. We've got a couple of coffee mugs, of course, and coffee for our guests, and a microwave available. We have the mini fridge and the full-size stove. Some extra glasses in case they're needed, and some plates. It's important not just to make a memorable stay that has neat things to look at, but to also make a place where people are going to feel really good, able to survive for days and stay on a budget in case they're in town for work or something. So being able to cook is very important. So we have open storage under the sink. As an Airbnb host, we feel open storage is best because it's easier for our cleaning crew to look and see if there's a problem. Sometimes they'll forget to look if there's cabinet doors, and there could be something inappropriate down there that could cause us a problem. If you've seen this movie, you are probably old. Well, that's about it for now. How many tribbles did you see? Let me know in the comments, because they are turning up everywhere.